Hi, we're Ash and Roo. This is Draco and Orca. And this is our Ram Promaster 2500, Patricia Palms. Yeah, so we got the van in June of 2021, just, pretty much the height of the pandemic and everything. And we've been looking for probably 12 months and just dreaming, swiping on Marketplace and all that, just looking. And then Ashley's cousin and her boyfriend were selling their van that they built out. And it just so happened we were on a trip and it hadn't sold yet, so we saw that as yeah, we should get a van. So sure enough, we flew out to California and drove it back through the Valley of Fire and sweated our butts off.
Yeah.
And now we have Patricia Palms, which is pretty rad. So come on in and check it out.
Perfect. Yeah, you can hop into it, 'cause I'm just going to speed it up.
Oh, sweet. So on our driver's side, we have our Camp Chef oven that runs off of propane. It is pretty good. I would say we like it overall. The oven is a little fussy, but otherwise it comes in clutch, so it's really awesome. And then down below, we have a nice deep drawer for all of our pots and pans and stuff, which is really nice. And so this is our Arctic turn window. It's awesome. You can see the screen. It drops all the way down, and the window will open, and then shade or privacy, which is really nice. We have this hammock that we installed. It's really nice for fruit. And then up above, we keep all of our snacks and some food in this cabinet. And then we have our cups, mugs, plates, and all that stuff. Here's our sink, and we have a pull-out cutting board, which is really nice. Our sink hole, it runs on a pump system, and it holds 20 gallons. That lasts us about a week, which is great. No hot water, but it works for us. Also, our backsplash has been up for 2 years now, which is really rad. We love that. It's really nice. Just makes it look, a little more homey and clean and bright. And then we also have our spices, which is really fun. It's held in by a screw. So this is more of our counter space right here, which is really awesome just for, food prep and drying dishes and all that. We have our lights right over here, which is on just like a slide system, so we can dim them, which is really nice. And then we also have charging station, USB ports, which is great. And we also have some more storage for our utensils and other things, which is really nice to have that extra space. This is our pull-out table, and it has a lot of space, just keeps going. There you go. It's awesome to work from, eat from, all that good stuff. And we also have a lock for when we're driving, so it doesn't slide out. All right, and this is our, voila, toilet. It is a nature head toilet. Thanks, Ash. It's great. We love it, and it doesn't smell, which is awesome. We use peat moss in there. I never knew I'd have so much to say about a toilet. So this is our bench area. We added this pad, which is very nice. And we also have extra storage down here for clothes and everything. And that just goes back away. And in here on the passenger side by the slide out door, we have our Dometic 2-zone fridge, which is pretty great. I wish our fridge was bigger at times, but I also love that it can be hidden away, which is really nice. Even though our fridge may be small, tiny, we can get about a week's worth of groceries if we push it. So it's small but mighty. Back here we have our fixed bed, queen size bed. I'm 5'5", Roo is 5'6". We can both sit up in the van, in the back in the bed, which is nice. We have these cutouts on each side that gives us probably 4 inches total. Again, 5'5", 5'6", so it's not an issue for us. Under the bed we have our garage. Ton of junk in there, so we'll skip that today. And our mattress, so to speak, are 2 toppers. The bottom one
Just regular foam, and then the top is memory foam, super cozy. Back of our kitchen we have our electrical system. We have our inverter switch, which is nice and accessible for us. Our battery monitor system. We have 200 amp hours. We have 4 solar panels on the top, so in total it's 400 watts. Our batteries also charge with the alternator, so when we're driving, our batteries are getting charged in addition to the sun. We have a mirror mounted over on this wall right above our sitting area, which is super nice to have when you're on the road. Super cozy as well, these little lights. Just a little, I think 2 AA batteries, so super simple. They light up our little pictures, our Polaroids that we've taken since we bought the van. Alright, thanks for coming and hanging out with us and Patricia Palms today. Hope you enjoyed the tour.
Yeah, check us out. Our handle on Insta is @vanlife with my wife, and hopefully we'll see you on the road.
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you hadn't noticed, we do sell an ebook for how to convert a van. It has over 190 pages of detailed instructions and diagrams, also 25 video tutorials which are specifically for the ebook buyer. Creating a van for many people is obviously a really intimidating project, but I really believe, and I've seen it time and time and time again, that with the right information, anyone can turn out with a pretty decent van conversion. So check the link in the description, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and drop us a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.